Let's get festive ready with Lakme. For my olive skin tone and combination skin type, I have prepped my skin with moisturizer. Balanced it with the orange undertone multi-layer face stick in the shade Neutral Almond and contoured with the shade Bold Drama Neutral Medium. As a blush, I'm using Coral Queen from the same face stick family to give my face a little liveliness and joyfulness. I feel Lakme has the perfect shade for my olive skin. Let's elevate the eye game with the Glitterati eye paint pot in Glittering Gold Dust. Eyeshadow stick in the shade Sunset Gold, Unreal Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and the face stick Grapevine Goddess. No matter how much makeup you do, a perfect lip shade can make or break your look. I am using Unreal 3D Slim Bullet Lipstick in the shade Wine Flare to contrast my all gold outfit. Last but not the least, my favorite part of the makeup, multi-layer face stick highlighter in the shade Sunlit Sepia, which makes my skin glow like a sunlit evening. In this festive season, Lakme has really impressed me with their vast range of products, specially suited for my skin tone and skin type. Thank you, Lakme.